Welcome back. The title says it all. Yeah, it's quite the hole. Something about a rock kicked up. Oh, second hole. Yeah, thought it was just a crack when I first got the call. I said bring it on by. Well, lo and behold, so here we go. We'll have a whack at her and see what happens. Cleanliness is next to godliness when it comes to aluminum, so clean her up. Heavy duty wire wheel, make a template. Just pull out the cardboard and start cutting and hacking and see kind of what makes what, and get her whittled down to something that looks like it'll work. Haven't quite figured out how I'm gonna bend it yet. It'll come to me. Probably a BFH big hammer. I guess we'll see. I love my plasma cutter. Yeah, Ricky Ticky, no jigsaw, no nothing. Just zap zap. Tiny little bit of prep, and I determined that we'll just break it in two spots. My brake's not big enough, so I went to the vise and I hammered it out. And yeah, prep her up. Big step here is, like I said, cleanliness next to godliness, aluminum, and acetone. I can't stress that enough. Once you get her all cleaned up, acetone. This is an oil pan. It's had oil for how long? I don't know how many miles are on this truck, but anyhow, that's the biggest thing. You'll see it here later on. There's the one where I didn't knock it out and clean it right out, and I fought with it because you can't get that oil out of there. It's the biggest thing. I've got it to seal up, but yeah, I probably would have been better off knocking the other hole right out and completely doing a whole patch on it. The amount of time I spent chasing that unclean material. But anyhow, we knocked her out. Here's the front patch done, just about here on the outside, that is. I just put one more pass on that one spot. It looked like it might be a little thin. Here's the filling the backside, and we'll get it ground out, put a patch on it. It was actually dented in. It's hard to see from the camera, so putting that little bit of weld on there isn't really raising this patch up much at all. It actually wound up being good because of a little bit of concaveness of where that rock dented in. It was hardly even noticeable, the cracks. So again, acetone, cleanliness next to godliness, and we'll get her welded up. Then we'll flip her over, and at this point in time, a weld on the inside was just extra security for these guys. You know, you don't want to have to pull the pan off again, drain all the oil. So I cleaned up the inside as best I could. Again, acetone, and run a bead around the inside. They'll take it and steam clean it out, and she'll be good to go. They lost half a day's downtime. This oil pan's $3,000. So thanks for watching. Share it, like it, subscribe. It's just another video.